Growing up, cars were a significant part of my childhood. Being able to recognize cars far away based off what their headlights and taillights looked like and screaming Hummer every time I saw one pass by was something I was good at. So quite obviously, one of the earliest memories I have is of Dad buying his first car, a 2001 Toyota Corolla. I'm about 3 years old at this point and probably the most excited kid around, running up and down the showroom. Some of the other cars I can remember in the showroom were the 2001 Toyota Echo, the RAV4, and the Land Cruiser. I had my eyes on all of them. We unfortunately couldn't afford all and settled on a beautiful grey silver Corolla in the end. The warehouse, from what I remember, looked like an airplane hangar more than anything else. We all got into the car. I was sitting atop my cousin's lap with my head bumped up against the roof of the car while we waited and took our sweet time. The time finally came to rev up that sweet middle-class Corolla engine. We had that car for about 14 years before Dad had to finally sell it. Dad maintained it way too perfectly, and that is no exaggeration. Something I hope I can do for my first car.